We love democracy. We love drones. Hang about for some incredible footage.
Geeksvana is your drone channel, providing news, reviews, flights, interviews, and much more.
Hey everyone, welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're going to be bringing you something a little different for our channel. On Geeksvana we don't usually have too much FPV flying, mainly because I would crash it within about 5 seconds. Now if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to hear all the latest drone news, videos and reviews first, hit the notification bell. Now you will have noticed from the recent news reports internationally that there have been some pretty large protests on the streets of Hong Kong. In fact, more than 1 million people have taken to the streets to protest what they see is an erosion of their democracy. With any spectacle involving more than 1 million people, you're bound to have some incredible news footage. However, our friends over at Team BlackSheep have managed to capture something truly unique. Now, being based in Hong Kong, they were able to take some pretty incredible footage over the crowds with a 3-inch FPV drone. We'd like to thank Team BlackSheep for giving us special permission to show this footage, as it is truly incredible. Let's get to it. And there you have it, drones and democracy coming together to promote such a strong message. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.